Got my reduction gearbox done. It's got 12 tooth pinion, 42, 40, no, damn it, 48, 54 tooth spur, so it's a 4.5 to 1 reduction. Used a slipper clutch for a Traxxas Slush 4x4 for the output. So that was the thing I had on hand. It was the simplest to design around. A little worried about how much torque it's going to put out with that tube right there. I may eventually extend the frame back to support the gearbox. I've got the prop on there just for load for testing, but really happy with how it's turning out. It took like 3 iterations to get the gearbox dimensions right, to get the clearance between the shafts for proper gear mesh. It's a looser mesh than I would have in an RC car, but for this I wanted it to be more quiet than strong, because it's not going to put out that much torque. So the gear mesh is a little loose, but it'll be fine.